guys, I just wanted to jump on really quick and talk about one of my favorite Pampered Chef items that doesn't get a lot of attention. I use this a lot. It is our Pampered Chef micro cooker. Now this is a very little inexpensive. It doesn't cost very much. A little inexpensive baby. But this micro cooker, this is the what is this? The 2 quart? Yeah. No. Yes. 2 quarts. This is the one I use the most. There's also a smaller one as well. But this is my go-to. Rice in the microwave. You're in a rush. Mashed potatoes, those little packets, in the microwave. Steam a veggie in the microwave. I brew my tea in here in the microwave. I love this little pan. I use it for so much. Melting butter in the microwave. Let's see. Rice, potatoes, canned veggies, fresh veggies, frozen veggies, quick little rice meals. Sometimes we want to use the ones with the flavor of the yellow saffron. Sometimes I'm in a rush and want to do the mashed potatoes out the little packet because, you know, it's a Wednesday and I worked all day and the boys at school all day and then they had practice, you know, or the honey was working. Quickie. This is my most used little inexpensive little gem that gets overlooked. All right, guys, what would you use this for? Have a great day. Happy cooking.